Alright, the next behavior is a form of sexual selection, which is mating behavior and mate choice. This includes seeking and attracting a mate.
Alright, so the forms of actually seeking a mate and the pair bonds that go with it, there are a few different types of pair bonds. There is promiscuous bonds, which involve no strong pair bonds and they do not mate for life. And an example of this would be like voles and rats and that kind of stuff. The next is going to be monogamous, which is longer relationships and involve one male and one female. An example of that would be like humans. The next would be polygamous, which is one individual mates with many others. So an example would be deer, and that is another form of longer-term mating. And then in that form, there is polygamy, something like that. And that is when one male reproduces with many females, so that would be like deer. And then there's polyandry, which is when one female mates with lots of males. And in a polygyny type of mating, the males are generally highly ornamented. So an example of that would be like a peacock, how they're big and fluffy. And then in polyandries would be when the one female mates with lots of males, and in this form the females would be highly ornamented. And with the males, or with the multiple males and one female, they will show an agonistic behavior, which is a type of ritualistic competition. And an example of that, to kind of put it into perspective, would be like when two bighorn sheep rams fight when they do the whole headbutting thing.